DJ Delz.
Alright. We got a brand new video. Welcome to the Delz Show. Thanks for tuning in. Before we get started, please subscribe if you're new. There's a little bell next to the subscribe button. It is so important that you hit the little bell next to the subscribe button and let YouTube know it's okay to let you know when I have a new video. So I got one package. I got this from eBay. I'm a little unsure what it is. I know it's either one pop or another. And oh, yes. So the packaging is pretty crappy, I gotta say. Off top, I definitely am not happy with the way they packed it. But the bubble packaging is pretty nice, as we see right here. So as long as the pop is okay, I'm okay. Excuse me. So, oops. So I really needed this, and I caught this for a little bit over retail. I think I paid like 20 bucks for this. The Pennywise with boat. Right here. Now, I have now every single one except the chase. Which, I mean, the chase, from my understanding, it's just a different shade. It's not like there's so much different stuff going on. So it's not really necessary. Some will disagree with me, but I mean, I got this one and I got this one. Oops. Oh God. And that was a chase I just dropped. And I got this one right there. Plus, where's the other one I got? I don't know where the other one is. I wish I did so I could show it right now. Maybe I'll do a video showing all the different Pennywises that I have. But yeah, I finally got the boat. I paid $20, I think. And the shipping was free. The box is in good condition, I would say. I'm happy with it. I mean, you know, as long as the box ain't crushed and looking absolutely crazy, like, you know, just crushed, I'm cool. So this is definitely a happy purchase. I was a little nervous when I opened up my mailbox today and seen the box, because you seen it was a little suspect, we'll say. A little suspect looking. Is this the other one right here, actually? Please be the other one. Nope. I got 4 out of the 5. All I need is the chase. If anyone wants to do trades, I have tons of chases. I have a bunch of doubles that I have for trade. So let me know if you are interested in doing any kind of trades. I will do 2 for 1, 2 pops for 1. I do have doubles of this chase right here, the Frodo. I'm willing to do trades. Hit me up on my Instagram at Delz Toy Show or over at Real DJ Delz with photos of what you have available for trades. I'm always down to do trades. So hit me up on my Instagram and just show me in a direct message what you have available for trade. And then if I see something that I feel I want, I will offer up and like take a picture of what I have available for trade, and then we'll make it poppin' from there. But I was happy to get this. I'm very happy. I also picked up this 11 today because I am a huge fan of 11, and this actress is fantastic. I feel like she's gonna be huge as she gets older in the music industry too, not just acting. She's got an amazing voice. Her voice is great, so I feel like she's got huge things in the future, and I'm a huge fan of the show, so I wanted to pick up this 11 also. And I'm thinking about getting the box lunch exclusive punk rock look one with the Eggos. Thinking about copping that one. That one is available now. I will put a link in the description box below. I also picked up, let's see, I got one more pickup, and that is from Toys R Us. I didn't do a vlog because I just did a vlog recently, so I'd love you to check it out. I will put a link in the description box below. Check out that vlog because it was really dope. And you know, I like seeing the view count go up. It makes me want to do another vlog. If the view count is kind of low, then it kind of is a little unmotivating to do another vlog. So definitely check out all the vlogs. I'll put a pop-up to a playlist. Check them all out if you're into that. And we also have S.Main. I picked this up at Toys R Us. I couldn't believe I seen it there. The box is a little encaved, but I feel like I could fix this just taking him out of the box and then just like putting a weight right there, like something heavy, and I think it should be good to go. But I love that the character Mossman got the flocked material on him. Like, he's totally flocked like Mossman. So this was a must pick up. I'm really trying hard not to buy all the Masters of the Universe Funko Pops because of the fact that I don't want to own like as many Funko Pops as sneakers. If you don't know, I'm a huge sneaker fan. I have about, I would say, how many sneakers do I own? I think about 400 to 500 pairs of sneakers. If you don't know about my Sneaker Addict channel, it's a pretty big channel. It's got almost 2,000 subscribers, and it's a dope channel. So if you're into sneakers, check it out. I do sneaker content here also, but check out that channel. But yeah, these are the pickups that I got. 3 new pickups right here. And I'm very happy with what I got. 3 pickups. Let me know what you like out of the 3. Let me know if there's anything you're looking for. And I hope everyone is able to pick up what they're hunting. Let me know what you're hunting for. Maybe I can even help you out. Also, I'm available to trade too from Stranger Things. I got this Demogorgon Chase. So just hit me up. And also, I want to go through a few new releases that are coming out that I'm into, that you may be into also. So let's check that out together. We've got the NBA Pops. There's tons of them that are available now. I think all in all, there's about 10 to 15 different NBA Funko Pops. Right now, we're looking at Kevin Durant and Porzingis, both awesome players. I will have more information on these linked in the description box below. You also could get Kawhi Leonard, LeBron James. There's tons of them. Chris Paul. I'm trying to think. Check it out. Definitely check it out. Also, we've got tons of new WWE Funko Pops. There's The Rock. There's Razor Ramon. And both of them have chases. Now, what is weird about The Rock's version is on the picture of the box, he's wearing a black jacket, which is the chase. He's wearing a black jacket in the chase. But the standard version, he's wearing the red jacket, which you see right here. So I think this may be the first time that we've ever seen something like that. Usually the picture on the box is what the standard version is. And if it's a chase, as a sticker, of course, and it's the variant. The Razor Ramon Pop is awesome. Both versions. The chase version is him in the NWO outfit. I am looking for that one. If anyone has that pop, please let me know. I am willing to do trades. I would love to own that one. I do own the standard version, but I really, really want both of them. So let me know. You can hit me up over at Twitter at DJ Delz or on my Instagram with pictures of what you'd like to trade over at Real DJ Delz or Delz Toy Show on Instagram. Braun Strowman looks awesome. I'm definitely thinking about picking him up, and there's a ton of more from WWE. So if you're a fan of WWE, definitely check them all out. I will put more information in the description box below for your convenience. There also was a restock, which I can't believe. I never thought there would be, but there was a restock on the Pennywise Funko Pop FYE exclusive. Now, these Pennywise Pops had so much hype in 2017. They all flew off the shelves, even the standard model. And now I'm noticing they're beginning to restock them. We've seen it with the Walt Disney exclusive, and now we're seeing it with the FYE exclusive. It's been available on their site for a while now. It's been over a week. So, you know, they keep popping in and out on the site. But man, like, to me, it's the best one. I love how the teeth is coming out. He's looking so ferocious and mean, like, just ready to attack. And I absolutely love this one. It's one of my favorite Funko Pops of 2017. By the way, I did do a top 10 of 2017 countdown of my favorite Funko Pops that I picked up this year. I would absolutely love for you guys to watch that video. So after this one, definitely look in the description box. I'm going to be saying it a bunch of times. Just check out the description box. I'm gonna have tons of information, but including a link to watch that video. It's an awesome video. I show way more than 10 Funko Pops, and I talk about a lot of little stories behind the Funko Pops. So definitely check them out if you're a fan of this. This pop, in my opinion, is a must-have. It's a must. As I said, one of the best of 2017, hands down, in my opinion. Another release that is available online now that I felt was one of the best pops of the year, which you can easily get right now, is the Princess Leia on speeder bike from Return of the Jedi. There is a chase available, so if you order online, there's actually a chance that you can get the chase. And the cool thing about this one is that the variant is Luke Skywalker, and the box actually even says Luke Skywalker. So it's usually 1 out of 6 your chances of getting the chase. So you have a 1 in 6 chance, I would say, give or take, to get the Luke Skywalker if you want that one. You may not want the Luke Skywalker. You may want the Princess Leia one. But I have both of them, and I love them. I think they are must-haves. If you're a Star Wars Funko Pop collector, it has to be in the collection. Hands down. There's also an exclusive Diamond Mickey Mouse Hot Topic exclusive that just released for you Disney fans out there. There's a lot of Funko Pop collectors that strictly collect Disney. They don't collect anything else but Disney. And for people that are new into collecting Pops, I really recommend trying to stick to 1, 2, maybe 3 different types of Pops, because there's so many that release after time, and that's how you end up owning way more than you want, because you start collecting all different categories and it just becomes craziness. So I definitely recommend that. And if you're a fan of Mickey Mouse and you collect Disney Pops, this is a must-have, definitely. For 007 fans, James Bond, yes, they've released James Bond and a whole ton of other Funko Pops that are from all of the James Bond 007 films. So if you're a fan of James Bond, I mean, there's so many, so definitely check them all out. They also released Ninja Turtle 8-bit Funko Pops. When I was a kid, I loved playing the Ninja Turtles arcade game. I played that like crazy. I grew up in Westchester County. I remember going to Nathan's on Central Avenue in Yonkers, or Sports Time USA over in Elmsford, New York, and I would just feed that machine with quarters. That and Street Fighter 2, those were my games. So I really like the 8-bit Ninja Turtles. I'm definitely aiming to get all of them. And I mean, I just cannot stop myself from getting them. I already got the Shredder that released last year, and I'm definitely aiming to get these right here. And last but not least, another Funko Pop that's on my radar, which I ordered and I'm waiting for right now, is the Kurt Cobain Funko Pop. There's about 3 or 4 different versions. We're looking at the Hot Topic exclusive, which is available now. All of these Funko Pops we're talking about, I will have information to make life easy for you in the description box below to help you guys out. Kurt Cobain and Nirvana, because it's also the band, you know, it's not just Kurt Cobain, even though, you know, he is the front man of the band. But, you know, the music was so special to me. It was literally the soundtrack of my teenage years. And I just listen to the album still, especially Nevermind. And it just brings me back to when I was a kid. And it's just, it's sad what happened with him. It's sad that depression took over and we lost such an amazing, amazing talent. One of my favorite artists ever. If you're super young, you never heard of Nirvana before, Kurt Cobain, definitely go out of your way and just listen to the Nirvana Nevermind album. You will thank me. You will definitely thank me. And especially if you grew up in the 90s, it's like you have to have this Funko Pop, I feel like. And that's just a run through of some of the Funkos that are on my radar that I personally am digging that's out right now. Let me know some of yours. Thanks for tuning in. I hope everyone's doing great out there. Much love, and we out.